Well, I got it all torn out. Big reason I was doing this is because the brake cables were all hashed. Parking brake cables. Dirt was getting in there and it was causing it to seize right here, keeping the brake engaged. I was doing it at the other side and I started doing it to this side. But when I took it apart, I found, well, I lost it. Oh yeah, here it is. This is a brand new hardware kit. The spring came off and probably was another cause of the issue, making sure that this brake pad wasn't actually coming back and keeping it engaged. So, well, I was worried about the hardware, so I bought a new hardware kit anyways. It's a good thing I did that, but kind of concerning. Hopefully put this together, stop having issues, because I kind of like to drive my little truck. Got this side all tore out, got the brake line, starting to run that, now to put in all the new hardware and other new components. I think you could tell the springs maybe got a little hot and took a set. That's new, and well, the other one was new, and yeah, a little bit of a difference. Same thing with the other ones too. Yeah, a little bit of difference, so it's a good thing I'm doing this. With that, we are done. Brake cable's in, got everything hooked up underneath there. The single cable is underneath there that links the two sides. Brake is set right now, and these suckers are not moving, so those brake lines, brake cables are working. It's the simple things that just make you happy. So I'm gonna throw the tires back on and give this thing a test drive.